How to delete your eBay account? So to close your eBay account, first log into your eBay account. Once you logged in, at the top left, select on your name and go to account settings. And here under account preference, you will find close account option. So select on it. And make sure you give this article a read before closing your account. Now in this page, scroll down. And here you can read, generally it takes 14 days to close an account from the date you request to close your account. And it also may take up to 60 days. So keep this in mind. Now to delete your eBay account, again scroll down. And here at the bottom of the article, you will find close account option. So click on close account. And here select a category why you are leaving eBay. I'm gonna select personal reasons. And under that, also select a reason. Here I'm gonna select I am opening a new account. And then scroll down. And check on this box that you want to close your eBay account. And finally, click on submit. And eBay will receive a request to close your account. And within 24 hours, they will send an update to your email or phone number. And after 14 days, your eBay account will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can close or delete your eBay account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment if possible. And if you want to remove credit or debit card from your Amazon account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.